But you hear all the hubbub about magazine restriction. 10 rounds, no more than that, right? Well, I don't understand the point of the 10-round magazine when you can just have 50 10-round magazines. You're still carrying 500 rounds. I'm by no means an expert, but here's just a little example of how irrelevant that really could be. So, show up, we got one gun loaded, 10 rounds. That's it. Not sure about how long this will take, but certainly isn't that long, and I'm probably below average of the 2,000 people in this club. It's 30 rounds. 3 10-round magazines. Not sure how many seconds it was, and I'm slow at that. You get the point. It's not real relevant.